Dahil dyan, magliligo challenge tayo. Okay, ang tugtog ah. Tol, tugtog niyo mo. Tol, tugtog mo. Huwag ka magtugtog ka kaya magligo challenge scandals. Ang babaeng ito. Hi guys! Magliligo challenge ako, pero bago yan, ready ko muna yung damit ko, diba? Ang haggard ko, B. Tingnan nyo, look at my eyes. There's a eyeliner everywhere. It's a eyeliner. Share the live, share the live. If we reach 100 viewers, we're gonna start the Lego challenge. Lego challenge. So share the live. Share the live, please. Share the live. So I'm gonna start the Lego challenge if we reach 100 viewers. Give me likes, give me likes. Tap, tap, tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tap. And share the live. Hindi ko alam anong susuotin ko. I don't know what to wear. So I'm looking something to wear after I take a bath. Share the live, guys. If we reach 100 viewers, I'm gonna start the Lego challenge. I'm gonna do Lego challenge outside the house. Share the live and give me likes, guys. Give me likes. Hello, everybody. Hi. Share the live. I'm gonna do a Lego challenge outside. What should I wear after? What should I wear? What should I wear? Over 22. Share the live, please. Share the live. Hanap na tayo ng masusuot. Hindi ko alam kung ano susuotin ko. Ito na lang. Tapos, kasi may bisita ako later, guys. I have bisita later. We're gonna bring things later. So maybe this one na lang. I'm gonna wear this. So hot, but I don't have a choice. Okay, this one and this one. And this stuff. This. Sobrang init, di nakakaano. Ayan. Like that. Ito na lang masusuotin ko, B. Let's go outside. Naragdagan ng flash up po. Sabon. Hi! Please share the live. Share the live. So guys, nauuhaw ako. Meron kami dito juice. Ito. So let's go here outside. Ha? Oo. Diyan na sa upuan. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa labas. I'm here now outside. So, bago yan, ako ay nauuhaw. So, dito sa upuan. So, iinom muna ako. Inom na ako ng uhaw na ako, babe. So, mare. Share the live, please, and give me likes. Nauuhaw ako. Oh, thank you for the super chat, Russell. Thank you so much. I'm just going to finish this and we're going to start. Russell, thank you so much. Now I'm done drinking the juice. First, let's move this stuff. Okay, that's fine. Ayan yung chinelas. Ay, sinutata ni Tata. First, guys, I have my slipper. I'm gonna wash the slipper like that and brush it so it will become clean. After I take a bath here like that, make sure it's super clean. Share the live, please. Thank you, Russell. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for the super chat. Brush, 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 brush. Like done. Thank you for the like. Share the live, please. Share the live. Share the live. So, ayan. Tapos na natin linisan. I'm done cleaning my sleeper. This is sleeper. So, I'm gonna start na. Paligo challenge. A lot of you guys requested to do a Lego challenge That's why I'm gonna grant your request. The birds are ipit. Do you know, guys, I have a look, oh, it's because of my mascara falling down. Sure.